These are the classic plastic pillow squeakers that have been fooling audiences for generations. Perfect for magicians, clowns, and pranksters. These durable plastic squeakers produce an unmistakable loud squeak sound that has become a staple of comedy acts, magic routines, and pranks. Whether you're manufacturing your own custom props, wanting to bring a laugh to someone's day, or creating your own unique comedy effects, we've got the size and style you need. Available in single voice squeakers, double voice squeakers, multiple sizes to fit any application. These are the pillow squeakers from MJMMagic.